అమరావతి రాజధానిలో ఐఐటి నిపుణులు పర్యటించారు. రాజధాని అమరావతి గతంలో నిలిచిపోయిన భవనాల సామర్థ్యాన్ని అధ్యయనం ఇంజనీర్లు చేపట్టారు. 2 రోజుల పాటు రాజధానిలో కట్టడాల పరిశీలన, 2019కి ముందు నిర్మాణాలు ప్రారంభమై మధ్యలోనే పనులు నిలిచిపోయిన భవనాలను ఐఐటి బృందం పరిశీలిస్తున్నారు. ఐఏఎస్ అధికారుల నివాసాలు, మంత్రులు, ఎమ్మెల్యే, ఎమ్మెల్సీల క్వార్టర్ల నాణ్యతను అంచనా వేసే బాధ్యతను హైదరాబాద్ ఐఐటికి రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వం అప్పగించింది.
It's a little premature to be talking about the stability of the building. We'll certainly evaluate everything. We have a good team working with APCRDA and we'll submit a report on whatever our findings are. As it relates to the stability of the buildings, whatever is the state of the building, and as to the completion, further completion, whatever intended function of these buildings. It's a little premature. We've just been in one office, so I can't comment based on that. I think we are going to be here for a few days to look around. We'll prepare a plan. We'll be testing material where required, and then we'll submit a report based on our findings. Primarily on the state of the buildings as they exist today. What is the fastest that we can get them occupation, and whatever needs to be done in the form of rectification. It's too premature to say. We've just arrived here. We'll submit a report based on whatever we do. Do a proper technical finding, proper technical investigation of different aspects related to the building stability, and we'll be submitting our report to APCRDA.
So how many days will it take?
That depends. Depends on the scope, depends on the state, depends on what we find. So, and of course it doesn't help that it is raining. That is going to certainly delay, perhaps be a cause for a little bit of delay, but we'll do our best to submit the report as fast as we can, because our intention is to help APCRDA make these buildings functional as fast as possible. Thank you. Thank you. My name is Subramaniam, KBL Subramaniam. I'm a professor in Civil Engineering Department. My colleague, Professor Munwar Basha, is the head of the Department Civil Engineering from IIT.
How many numbers?
Team. Currently we have a small team here. We'll probably expand the team as and when we require more people. Okay. Thank you.
Next visit?
We'll decide. It all depends on what we find in this particular. Thank you.